Hello, I'm Kevin Reigert, Executive Director of the Maryland Transportation Authority, or MDTA, the agency that owns, operates, and maintains Maryland's 8 toll facilities, including the Harry W. Nice Memorial Bridge carrying US 301 over the Potomac River from Maryland into Virginia, better known as the Nice Bridge. The MDTA is committed to providing premium transportation facilities and superior customer service. We're different from most Maryland agencies in that we're affiliated with state government, but we don't receive funding from the general fund or from the Transportation Trust Fund. We're self-sufficient, and every dollar spent on your tolls gets invested right back into our facilities. We are excited to be preparing for the replacement of the Nice Bridge, and thank you for taking time to learn more about the new Nice Bridge project. We want to update you on how the MDTA has worked to advance this project beyond the original study phase, the project schedule, and what you can expect during construction. The MDTA will be accepting public comments on the project from now until February 20, 2018, and we welcome and encourage your thoughts. You can comment on the project website, newnicebridge.com, by email at info@newnicebridge.com, or by mail to the address provided on the website. In November of 2016, Governor Larry Hogan officially dedicated funding for design and construction of a new Potomac River crossing connecting Charles County, Maryland and King George County, Virginia. The existing bridge is more than 75 years old, and anyone who drives across it on a summer Friday or Sunday evening knows about the significant backups and delays because of its current 2-lane configuration. As a strong advocate for replacing the Nice Bridge since taking office, Governor Hogan announced the advancement of the project, noting its importance to the nation's security and to the quality of life of the thousands of people who depend upon the bridge for work, business, and recreation each and every day. Since that announcement, we have been working diligently with our project partners to cut project costs by more than $200 million from the original 2012 study estimate. These efforts have made the project affordable and have allowed us to meet customer demand for a wider, safer bridge much sooner than could otherwise have happened. So, how are we going to build this bridge? And what should you expect? For that piece, I'll turn it over to Will Pines, the MDTA's Director of Project Development.
Thank you, Kevin. Thanks to Governor Hogan's commitment, the MDTA plans to advertise for construction in fall 2018 and anticipates breaking ground in early 2020, with the new 4-lane bridge opening to traffic in 2023. During construction, drivers can expect minimal traffic impacts because the existing Nice Bridge will remain open until the new bridge is completed. Any impacts to traffic would be of short duration during off-peak and overnight hours, for example, when crews are moving equipment or when the new approach roadways are being tied into the original highway. Be assured the MDTA will notify motorists of any anticipated traffic disruptions via traffic advisories, social media, overhead message signs, and more. We also will work with the U.S. Coast Guard to alert mariners of any navigational changes as the bridge is being built. We will deliver the project using the design-build method, which allows the MDTA to advertise one combined contract for design and construction services. This delivery method provides opportunities for the design-build team to offer greater innovation without sacrificing quality. It has been proven successful on similar projects in Maryland, Virginia, and the District of Columbia. For our project, design-build teams will have the opportunity to propose the type of bridge that's the best value to the state and appropriate for this crossing, whether steel, concrete, or segmental construction. The MDTA will hold an industry forum in spring 2018 to provide interested design-build teams the opportunity to learn more about the project and our bid requirements. I encourage those in the industry to visit the project website for more information in the coming months. Even though the successful design-build team will design the bridge, we do know the new bridge will include certain elements. The new bridge is planned to be built north of and near parallel to the existing bridge. It will have 2 12-foot travel lanes in each direction, separated by a median barrier, and 2-foot wide inside and outside shoulders in each direction. This design ties in consistently with the roadway width on the Virginia side. The additional travel lanes will improve traffic operations by eliminating the bottlenecks along US 301, and the median barrier will enhance safety by separating opposing traffic. We also will be adding lane use control signals above the roadway, similar to what we use now at the Bay Bridge. That will assist with lane closures and emergency situations. The bridge design, with 4 travel lanes and 2-foot shoulders next to each barrier, is very similar to the 4-lane Francis Scott Key Bridge on I-695 in the Baltimore region. The Key Bridge safely operates with this design with more than 31,800 vehicles per day, which is 70% higher than the current Knightsbridge traffic at 18,600 vehicles per day. Based on our detailed traffic forecasting, we have determined that the new Knightsbridge design will support projected traffic volumes for more than 100 years into the future. The planning study concept included the option for a barrier-separated shared use path that the MDTA estimates will cost $60 million. Following the success of a shared bike lane on the US 40 Thomas J. Hayden Memorial Bridge in our northern region, which incidentally also has a similar design width to the new Knightsbridge, the MDTA is evaluating the viability of a shared bike lane on the new Knightsbridge. We will be using a bid alternate approach, requiring proposers to submit prices for 2 options in their proposals. One including a barrier-separated shared use path, and the other including a shared bike lane. The MDTA board will select the option on a cost-benefit basis to ensure a best value design is delivered to our toll-paying customers. Whichever option is chosen, bicyclists will be able to ride their bikes over the bridge. The maximum grade will be increased from the current 3.75% grade to 4%, another similarity to the Key Bridge. The current design shifts the center line of the existing navigational passageway to 585 feet to the west. It also reduces the main span length from its current 700-foot passage to a minimum horizontal clearance of 250 feet for the navigational passageway. The next bridge crossing of the Potomac River, the Woodrow Wilson Bridge, provides a minimum horizontal clearance of 175 feet. We will also be maintaining a vertical clearance of 135 feet to allow upstream ports such as the City of Alexandria to continue to host tall ship events. Together, these profile modifications reduce the structural length of the proposed bridge by 1,000 feet from the proposed length in the original 2012 study, resulting in a total proposed bridge length of 9,850 feet. The MDTA is working closely with the U.S. Coast Guard and the Federal Highway Administration to confirm that these modifications meet the reasonable navigation needs. In addition to the Federal Highway Administration and U.S. Coast Guard, we have many other project partners, including Charles County, Maryland, King George County, Virginia, the Virginia Department of Transportation, Dahlgren Naval Support Facility, and numerous environmental and regulatory agencies, just to name a few. Through our partnerships, the MDTA will continue to seek opportunities to keep you informed as the project progresses. Now I'd like to turn it back over to Kevin.
Thanks, Will. The final enhancement of the new bridge that we are excited to deliver to you is the tolling method. The new bridge will include all electronic tolling, meaning tolls are collected automatically at highway speeds using E-ZPass or video tolling, which is also known as post-usage billing. This approach is successfully used every day on the MDTA's Intercounty Connector Maryland 200 facility and the I-95 express toll lanes in Northeast Baltimore, and is rapidly becoming the standard method of toll collection in the United States. All electronic tolling provides numerous benefits to our customers, including improved customer convenience and reliability, safer operations, reduced fuel consumption and vehicle emissions, and potential long-term reductions in toll collection and maintenance costs. As we get closer to construction and the bridge opening, we will provide you with many opportunities to sign up for E-ZPass, since cash payment of tolls will not be accepted at the new facility. But if you don't already have a Maryland E-ZPass, I'd like to encourage you to sign up today to start enjoying the many benefits this program has to offer. We've eliminated the $1.50 E-ZPass monthly account maintenance fee for customers with Maryland addresses, or out-of-state addresses who take 3 or more trips through Maryland toll facilities during the previous statement period. And, even better, E-ZPass Maryland customers save 25% or more every day off the 2-axle cash rate at most Maryland toll facilities, and pay lower tolls than the video tolling option on the Intercounty Connector Maryland 200 and I-95 Express toll lanes, and much more. With no monthly fee and a 25% discount on tolls, there's never been a better time to be an E-ZPass Maryland customer. To wrap up, let me tell you what you can expect. As Will mentioned earlier, construction will start in 2020. We anticipate minimal impacts to traffic during construction, since the new bridge will be built next to the existing bridge, allowing us to keep the existing bridge open during construction. We are committed to delivering this important project as affordably and efficiently as possible, and to providing motorists with a new, wider, safer, and less congested modern bridge beginning in 2023. Remember, our public comment period ends on February 20. Please comment online, email us at info@newnicebridge.com, and visit newnicebridge.com for our mailing address and updated project information. And stay connected through the MDTA website, mdta.maryland.gov, by signing up for traffic alerts specifically about the Nice Bridge. Thank you again for your interest in the New Nice Bridge project.